Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, and then good evening, depending where you are listening from. I remain your girl Grace. We are here to give you nothing but the best, the simple tips you need to have at the tip of your fingers, because it's going to help you a lot. Okay, before I proceed, I want to use this medium to say thank you to my wonderful friends, my wonderful family. Honestly, I never knew you guys love me this much. The prayers, the calls, the text messages, the chat was so massive. I keep receiving I keep receiving calls, text messages, chats every day to check out on me. How are you doing? How is the situation of things over there? Don't worry, everything will fall in place again. Honestly, I would have lost hope long time ago, but your care, your love keep me going. I just want to say thank you and God bless you all for me. Okay, all right, so may the universe replenish you, may the universe locate you at the point of your need. All right, let's go straight to why I am here this morning. This is morning. It's almost 2 a.m. here, down here with me. First, I want to answer a few questions, like 2 questions before I proceed. Please pardon me. The first question is this: someone called me and she was like, please, I will need your help. I don't know, things doesn't work normal. Like, since after I got married, I'm a graduate, and after my wedding, things have not been going smoothly for us. Please, what should I do? Okay, I think I've answered this question before. Actually, there are things we need to do to attract some favor. After doing everything you think you can and things seems not to be working fine for you, there's no way you will do everything and it will not work fine for you. Then that's what I always tell you, to please to make sure of what you are doing, to be because the kind of life we live sometimes determines how things would go for us. Yes, there are things we neglect so much, it doesn't matter, but you don't know it matters a lot. There are things we put, or maybe it doesn't worth it, but you don't know in future they are going to hurt you. I'm not going to really blame anybody on that, but please, if you are there, one of you, please, I want you to take note of all this. Okay, number one thing, you should learn how to give. You should learn how to give alms to. You don't need to have millions before you know you can give out. It is a way of attracting good luck to yourself. You don't need to have but enough of it before you know you can extend arms. You don't need to have all of it. Okay, yes, you don't need to. Number two, you should be grateful for life. You should be grateful for the little you have. Let me tell you something. Do you know, in every situation, wherever you find yourself, someone may be, dreaming to be in your shoe, and you'll be dreaming to be in someone else's shoe. That is life for you. It is never balanced. Okay, just that we needed something comfortable for ourselves. That is why we always go for the best. Yes, as a graduate, you needed something best for you, but I just want to use the medium to also tell the young ones that are yet to be called graduate tomorrow. Please, once you find yourself in higher institution, especially here in Nigeria, as the situation of things stands now, please learn something, learn a skill. In case if federal government doesn't provide job for you, you can keep yourself busy. You can still do one or two things with your bare hands. Yes, there are so many skills you can learn today. As long as you have your hands, you have your eyes, you have your brain, there are so many skills you can learn today. I don't want to mention them all here, but there are many of them. So in case you are still a student, or you have someone who is trying to jump into education sector, especially in Nigeria, please advise that person to always take every opportunity he or she can to learn handwork. If it's possible, maybe immediately after your SSCE, learn something before entering into higher institution, or if you can combine the two, it will be fine for you. Then number 3, if you are married and even your husband started complaining, please, yes, you must have prayed, you must have done some works on your own, but things seems not to be working for you. I have I have so many videos on what you can do. I have video on how you can use 10 naira to go give to beggars. I have video on how you can as well use honey and thyme. I have video here on how you can as well use your urine in case is something spiritual. I also have video on how you can use sugar. Let me tell you another thing. Your how do I put it? Sorry. Your home where you park in, okay? If you're a tenant, yes, there is a ritual you need to do before you move into any house. In case that place, they will tie your destiny, they will tie your luck. There are things you're supposed to do. All those things are here on this channel. If you're if you're the owner of the house, yes, you should know that this is your house, and either you bought it with your money or something, or you inherited it. You still need to do something about it. So I have so many videos on what you can do. Also, the recent video not the recent video, that should be 2 videos before the last one I uploaded here. You can as well try that out. Very much needed, very much important. Okay, so if you are in this category, please, the little advice I will give you is this: don't wait for the government, and don't also wait to have enough before you start extending arms to those you think you are better off. Is a way of open doors. Okay, if you believe in tithing also, it is a good one. It is a good one, I must confess. So that's that for now. Then another one I want to hit on is this. I made a video about what is it called again? Hello. Okay, I made a video about using candle, and then to pray, to read some psalms with your candle and your honey, please. And I made a very important warning. I said, if at the verge of the prayer your candle went off, the light went off, don't continue. Yes, I got so many testimonies, but just few complain of their lights going off, and before the lights went off, they already got the signs that this light is going to go off, because before they prepared themselves for that, they already have an attack. They had an attack. About 3 or 4 of them had an attack, and immediately they turned on the light, it went off on its own. So like I told you guys, don't bother to turn it on, because for that to happen, there must be a reason behind it, and that is why I said, please don't do it. Okay, then for those of us that have testimonies, congratulations to you guys. Congratulations. You can as well share your testimonies if you're watching this video. Okay, that is that for now. I just have this little, will I call it little? Yeah, I just want to put in this. If you are the type that do wake up between 3 a.m. to 4 a.m, please, this video is for you. Yeah, this video is for you. Why is it for you? Because that time is divine. That time is for procreation. That time is for passing of important messages. If you're the type that on a norms you may be sleeping, but once it's 3 a.m. or 4 a.m, you will see yourself awake, fully awake, not half awake. Please, if you are the type that if you find yourself in such situation, I would like you to take it serious. This is what you need to do. Please pay attention to the inner voice that will be whispering to you. Okay, it's possible your loved one, it's possible the universe wants to favor you. It is possible you about to reprocreate. Okay, yes, because there are some times, like all the time, round the clock, The universe is busy. So in case your own wants to locate you at that time, you see yourself waking up by that hour, please, I want you to do me a favor. Once you wake up that time, don't look for your phone, because this time around we now I don't know, we pay more attention to our gadget, to our phones. Please, once you wake up by that hour, don't press any phone. Don't look for whatever you can do to distract yourself. Don't think of the past. Don't think of what happened yesterday. And that is why I always tell you guys, before going to bed, please forgive yourself. Forget about the day. Make sure you live the best of the day, and then the future will take care of itself. So whenever you find yourself in that situation, please calm yourself down, because I just noticed that recently most people will call me, they don't know what's going on. Like after using okay, one called me after using urine, she started waking up around 3 a.m. What's that? Please, once you find yourself in this, I want you to be in good, like, to be much conscious and listen to the tiny voice that will whisper to you. There must be a message they want to pass to you, so you don't, you don't interchange it. Maybe you can use it as a, maybe it's just an ordinary imagination. It's not actually imagination. It may not be actually imagination. It may be something tangible, a message that you need to extend to someone else, and because of your mind is at somewhere else, you may not really get the message very well. Okay, then the second thing you need to do, once you get that message, if you are the type that if you dream you forget about the dream, or if you after that time you can maybe wake up, you start reasoning, was it in a dream? Maybe you're not really sure. Please just write it down somewhere and carry it out. If it's an assignment, carry it out just the way it's being delivered to you. Yes, you may be delivering somebody. Then if you have someone you are praying for, that time is the best time to take their prayers. Maybe after you should just wake up, that time is the best time to focus on pray. It is going to be a massive testimony if you can maintain this. Pray for someone else. I didn't say pray for yourself, please. Yeah, let me tell you another secret. Do you know when you pray for someone else, that is when God will be working for you more in whatever you believe on, whatever you worship on. You see that when you focus on, when you care more on someone who is in need, that is, you see your own problem being taken away, your own burden being lifted completely from you. Tasted and trusted. If you can give this a try, trust me, you will come back with a massive testimony. Okay, I'm going to stop here for now, but believe me, I'm coming back tomorrow with another massive massive truth, massive revelation, something we should have at the tip of our finger. It's going to help us a lot in life. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I remain your girl Grace, and don't forget to subscribe if you to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please thumbs up to the video so that YouTube will keep recommending my videos. Okay, I love you guys so much. Trust me, I can't do without you guys. I love you guys so much. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye.